Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel, and today I'm going to walk you through how to create a Venmo business profile in 2025. You see, Venmo business is only available in the US and requires a US personal Venmo account. It must be verified. It requires a US phone number, an address, and a tax ID. It could be a social security number or EIN. Next, it requires you being compliant with Venmo's business use policies. So that means no prohibited services. The first step you should take is to set up a personal Venmo account if you don't have one by downloading the Venmo app, then signing up with a US phone number, email, and legal name, then verifying identity, and lastly, linking a US bank account or card. Once you've done this, you go to the next step, which is creating your business profile. Here, you just open the Venmo app, go to the Me tab, and tap on your profile picture. You should see it at the top left corner. Select Create Business Profile. Enter the business details like the legal business name. Make sure it matches tax records, business category, the tax ID, input all this. And once you're done, you have to customize the profile by uploading a profile photo and cover image. Branded visuals are recommended. Don't forget to add a short description and public contact information. Then you go to the third step, which is where you publish and start accepting payments. How you do this is by tapping on publish. Then you see the payment method. So customers can pay you can use Venmo balance. There's no fee for the customers. You can use linked cards or banks where you get 3% fee if they're using credit cards. You can also generate a QR code for in-person payments. Another thing you can also enable tapping. This is optional. You can enable tipping. Yes. Now, toggle on tipping in settings with suggested percentages like 15%, 20%, 25%. So choose your preferred percentage for tipping. And it's as simple as that. Now, here are some key features of Venmo business. The fees. The fees are about 1.9% plus $0.10 per transaction. If you use the app, it's 3.49% plus $0.49 for online checkout via PayPal or Braintree. For instant transfers, the fee is 1.75%, minimum for $0.25 and a maximum of $15. So if you're doing an instant transfer of that amount, between that amount or that range, you have to pay 1.75% fee. That's what they are charged. Then next is tax reporting. Venmo issues Form 1099K for transactions over $600 per year. Then lastly, payments appear in feeds unless they are made private. So acting as free marketing. So payments appear in feeds. So it helps act as free marketing. And there are some limitation alternatives if you decide to use Venmo business. Because the first limitation is the fact that it only works for US-based businesses and customers. Secondly, there's no chargeback protection. That means disputes must be resolved directly with customers. Now, here are some pro tips for success. Use QR codes. Print or display them at checkout for contactless payments. Secondly, integrate with e-commerce. Add Venmo to Shopify, WooCommerce via PayPal checkout. And lastly, track transactions. Export records for accounting to QuickBooks or Xero compatible. Now, if you need any help, Venmo support team can assist with verification or setup issues. Hope you found this video helpful.